I'm sat here with Maura outside the castle bar. Shade of Ahamora, Kajay Martatu. Here we are in the visitor centre where people should come first if you're coming to visit Derry. Okay, so I'm here with Mr. and Mrs. Shirley all the way from Ballyahaclia, down in Dublin. How are you doing? Hello Keith, how are you doing?
Not too bad. How's yourself?
Fleadh Cheoil coming to Derry 2013, first time. What do you think?
Awesome.
I think it's very momentous. Like, it's the first time in the history it's come this side of the border. So.
We're going to show them how it's done, aren't we?
Exactly.
I think it's a great event. Really looking forward to it.
Yeah, absolutely. We're expecting about 350,000 visitors, so the city's just going to be buzzing. It's going to be a great place to be.
It means family. I've got all my family coming from different parts of Ireland, and to me it's family. I can't wait for another shindig with all the family.